Can you go get in the pile, Jackson? Get over there with all those kids. Don't crush each other.
Get off of your brother. Get off of your brother.
Like that? He said this downhill run just is hard to do.
He likes it.
He says it's hard to stay upright on the downhill run.
I think it's too steep of a hill right there. Okay.
He's like a drunken soldier.
He'll figure it out. You can't fall through that fence down there. So. He's not crying.
He's having fun. Okay, out of the flower bed. Out of the flower bed.